In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot. Let's dive right into it. We'll start from the chatbot's home. Once you're there, look for the Create button. Click on it and you'll see a dialog box appear. This is where you get to be creative. Type in a name for your new chatbot. Make it specific and relevant to its purpose, as this will help you and any users interact with it effectively. Once you've chosen a name, simply click on Create to bring your new chatbot into existence. It's that easy. Now, if you ever want to add more chatbots, you can always return to the chatbot's home. Another convenient way to do this is directly from your chatbot setup screen. Just keep an eye out for the icon at the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will offer you the option to create additional chatbots whenever you need. As we move on, let's focus on creating a directive and a greeting for your chatbot. The directive is crucial. It's basically the brain behind your chatbot's interactions. It defines how your chatbot will respond to questions during a conversation. This is your chance to infuse personality and purpose into your bot. You can input details about your chatbot's role, its audience, objectives, and much more. There's a useful resource available if you're looking to learn how to set up a directive in more detail. Aside from the directive, crafting an engaging greeting can enhance user interaction. You have the freedom to select between a static greeting or, if you prefer something dynamic, a tailored one that's generated at the start of a conversation. Think of the greeting as the chatbot's first impression. It sets the tone for all subsequent interactions. Next on our agenda is giving your chatbot a robust foundation of knowledge. This is one of the most effective ways to ensure your chatbot is both informative and accurate. You can achieve this by adding text-based files or linking your chatbot to Zapier tables. These sources act as definitive information banks for your chatbot, allowing it to answer users' questions competently. Finally, let's talk about some of the limitations you'll encounter with Zapier chatbots. These limitations are intricately tied to the specific chatbot's plan you've chosen. Your plan will dictate several important aspects: the number of chatbots you can create, the range of features available, and while the number of conversations is unlimited, there is a restriction based on the number of tokens per conversation. This is linked to the AI model you're using. If you want to increase your token limit, using your own API key is a smart workaround, granting access to models with a larger number of tokens. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a chatbot. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to deploying effective and engaging chatbots tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.